Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And it's finally time for us to unbox a brick of Marvel Heroclix next phase. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a sealed brick of Heroclix latest installment, which is Marvel Studios Next Phase. Okay, so just a quick background. This is part of a purchase Larry and I did from Singapore. So shout out to Team Board Games for allowing us to purchase items. So we were able to get them safely. Larry got one case, I got one case of Next Phase. So this brick is part of that particular case. The other brick was purchased by Sir Von of CDO. So thank you very much, Sir Von, for the purchase and good luck on your unboxing. And the other brick is with me. I was planning to do a brick break of it with local players here in the Philippines and or possibly sealed tournament, okay, with the Wheels of Vengeance, one booster from Wheels of Vengeance and one booster from Next Phase. But when I did a solicit to the players, it seems like there's no big appetite for HeroClix Next Phase. So that's okay. They might be looking forward to the next set, which is the Deadpool and Wolverine set. I'm also looking forward to it, but one way or another, we have to get a hold of at least a brick of next phase, and we're excited to open it. I think this is the first one in the Philippines. Larry did an unboxing, but he only took pictures. He pulled Konshu, Wong, El Aguila, and I think Kate Bishop as the super rares. Okay, so a very lucky booster, a lucky break for Larry. So congratulations, Larry. So I hope to also channel in some of those luck, okay, and pull something good for my break of next phase. So personally, I'd like, of course, Elsa, super rare. I like Mr. Immortal, okay, because he's an quote unquote mutant, okay. And for the chase, I hope we get something like the goddess. All the gods I think are the better chase for this particular set. Okay, but nonetheless, we're just happy that we're able to get a hold of the HeroClix set. Okay, so although internationally, but it is what it is, and it's here. Such a long intro. So let's look at the break. It is, of course, at the front you see the She-Hulk. This is based on Marvel TV shows. Okay, with the front runner She-Hulk. On the side you see Werewolf by Night, a great series. I'm Groot, the shorts, and of course we have here on the other side Hawkeye, also a great series, and we have Moon Knight. Okay, so Moon Knight is fine, but out of all of this, I like actually like the Werewolf by Night one shot. Okay, and then at the back of the brick we see the Chase, Madison, and Wong. Okay, and on top of the booster, you can see the elusive Kevin, which is the Ultra Chase, and I'm sure you watch some of the unboxings and you've watched or you've read some of the forums in HeroClix International Players. It seems like Kevin is hard to find, or I should say, impossible to find in the bricks. Okay, but let's cross our fingers. Maybe we get Kevin. Okay, but the numbers are not favorable for us. Okay. Anyway, so let's go ahead and open the boosters. So as always, we're going to go back, left to right, and then front, left to right for those who are keeping track. So let's swipe transition.
Okay, so we have here booster number one of our brick for HeroClix next phase. And there are 72 figures to collect. Each booster, of course, contains 5 pre-painted collectible minifigures. And we have for booster number one. Okay, so it's been a while since I unboxed booster brick. Okay, we have, oops, a demon. We have Miss Marvel, the podcaster. We have a super rare Miss Marvel, okay, which we like because Miss Marvel is a mutant. We have, okay, who's this? Jack Duquesne and Kingpin rare. Okay, so it's a rare, super rare pack for our first one. And we see here the Abomaste okay, card. Let's just check the cards because this is a super rare pack to make sure that everything is in order. Okay, okay, such a relaxing scenery. Okay, so hint number 1, showcasing Abomaste. Okay, and this is Abomination. So we have this Miss Marvel super rare card. Okay, good, good, good. Kingpin, Demon, and Miss Marvel. Okay, so that's booster number 1. Booster number 2 is backside, second from the left. And we have, okay, let's see. Okay. We also hope to get a Trick Arrow, of course. We have Mr. Immortal. Okay, good. We want him. We have a Wong, common. We have Ronin. We have, who's this one? Saracen and Kate Bishop. So the rare is Ronin, if I'm not mistaken. And then we have the Baby Groot Chase feature. Is this a premonition of our chase? I hope not. Yeah, the rare is Ronin. Okay. Mr. Immortal, I like. Okay. Well, booster number 3 is back row middle booster. This is usually the good spot for brick breaks. So let's see if I get lucky. Lucky is the dog, by the way. The pizza dog in this set. We also want to get him. And we have, what's this one? Donny Blaze, Nikki Ramos, Leila Fowley, Yelena, and Clint Barton. Okay, the rare is Donny Blaze. And we have the card for, let's see, what's our card? Learn how to play Heroclix. Okay, you can pause the video if you want to scan that QR code. And Donny Blaze is our figure, rare figure. Okay, I haven't looked at the figures for this set deeply. Okay, because I only am interested in some figures. Okay, and so far so good. We have the SR, one of the SR we want, and of course Mr. Immortal. Let's see. Booster number 4, we have Valentina Allegra de Fontaine. Okay, so long name. We have, what's this one? Emil Bronski. Okay, we have another Ramos. Another this is Titania SR and Groot. Baby Groot. Titania SR. Okay, so that's fine. Titania is, I think, a good SR, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see if the cards are in order. I'm checking because, of course, I've seen some posts wherein the character cards are missing or different. Wong and Madison Chase feature is here. And we have Baby Groot, Valentina, and we have the SR Titania. 75 points. Interesting. Okay. And then booster number 5, the last for the back row. Let's see who we got. This is the Scott Porter slot in bricks. And we have... Okay. We have the She-Hulk, finally. We have Hawkeye. We have... Let me take this out. We have Wrecker. We have Maya Lopez and Kazi. Okay, the rare is... Who's the rare? Ooh, the infamous no rare pack. All commons. Let's check the cards, as there might be some mistake on the rarity at times. Okay, let's see. We have another chase feature. No. The Hunt for the Bloodstone. Okay. We have Clint Barton. Clint Barton is the rare. Clint Barton is the rare. And then we have She-Hulk, Maya Lopez, Kazi, and Wrecker. There. It's silver. I thought it was white. Okay, halfway through the break. Now let's go to the front row left. We have pulled 2 SRs. So we hope to pull the usual collision of 3 SRs, 1 chase, and possibly trick arrow. Please give me a trick arrow. I think a lot of marksman would benefit from it, and all other range characters. So we have here Veruza. Okay, and we have our third SR, which is the Scarlet Scarab. Okay, good thing we have the Layla. Now we have Harrow. We have another Baby Groot and Maya Lopez. Okay, so let's take a look. This is an SR booster. Okay, chase feature Baby Groot again. Scarlet Scarab. I think she's okay. She can take the place of the uncommon, I think, before he dies. This one, the sideline active. On click number 5, then you can replace. Okay. And of course, we have the shifting focus root. We hope to get some Moon Knight. We haven't seen a Moon Knight yet. So, and we are already on click booster number 7. Okay, so let's see who we have here. This seems a bit heavy, and that might suggest, I would say a trick arrow. Let's confirm. Ooh. We have... What's this one? Runa. We have Moon Knight, speaking of. We have, a super rare Prime Man-Ting. Ooh, interesting. And then we have Leapfrog, She-Hulk. So the heavy one is the super rare Prime Man-Ting. Ooh. Which is, again, we're not gonna complain. Man-Ting is always a good figure. Okay, let's see if the character card is here. Hint number 5, the avatars, of course, are the chases. And then we have She-Hulk, Moon Knight, Leapfrog, Runa, and Man-Ting Prime. Okay, all black and white. Interesting. Okay. Although this might suggest that we're not gonna be getting a chase, but getting an SR Prime Man-Ting is better than getting, for example, a Groot chase. Okay, or or the Captain America chase. Okay, so Super Rare Prime is almost equal a chase, if not better. This is number 8. Let's go. Okay, let's see. We have Yoon. We have our first trick arrow. I say first because sometimes you get multiple of this. We get a Lucky the dog. We got a tracksuit guy and another tracksuit guy. I'm sorry. You guys, can you just try to point to each other? Oops, sorry, the camera is flimsy. Oops. Okay. So just, and then the last piece is Yelena. Okay, so tracksuit guy. Yeah, point to each other. And of course, our trick arrow. We're happy to have a trick arrow. I want to get a hint card of the gala. Okay, so we have here the bloodstone, and then we have trick arrow, lucky, and a bunch of trick arrows. Good, 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 good. So it seems like quality control is good so far. This is booster number 9. Okay, can we still get something good, like perhaps another trick arrow, another SR? The SR most unlikely, but possibly a chase. That will make this break totally awesome if we get a chase. And we have a Hulk. We have a Moon Knight. Is this the infamous 200-point Moon Knight? We have, what's this one? Saracen. We have a Moon Knight and Hawkeye. So the rare Moon Knight. Okay, and our hint card is target acquired for assassins, if I'm not mistaken. Hit the mark. Okay, the 200-point Moon Knight rare. So I think we got all the shifting focus Moon Knight. So that's good. And finally, our last booster is number 10, containing, there's a bit of a wait for it in it, so will we get a chase? Let's see. We have Moon Knight. We get, Man Bull, not bad. We got a 4th SR. Okay, we have Yelena, we have, that's why the wait, Hulk, and we have, Jennifer Walters, She-Hulk. Okay, so Man Bull is our, I think, 4th SR, because we pulled an SR Prime. Yeah, okay, so we have here, finally, the Deadpool Weapon X teaser card. That's Jeff. Okay. And then we have Hulk, Jen Walters, Yelena, Man Bull, and Moon Knight. Come on. Okay, so just going through quickly. We have the super rare Miss Marvel. We got the super rare Titania. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 super rares. 5 super rares and one super rare prime out of the 5 super rares, and then 1 trick arrow. Not bad. Okay, so but unfortunately we did not have a chase, and that's totally fine. So what do you guys think of this break unboxing? Do we go and do one more next phase, or we go to the next set? Share your thoughts in the comments, and until then, bye bye.